How to switch Instagram back to personal account. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to switch your Instagram account that you had set to the professional account back to your personal account in the Instagram, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Instagram out there and then tap on that. After you tap on that, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After Instagram is launched on your very mobile device, now you have to go to your profile section on the down portion. After you go to the profile section on the down portion, you have to go to the three lines on the top. After you go to the three lines on the top, now you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. After you move to settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now what you have to do is you can go to the option of the creators tool and personal like this, and here you can see the option of switch the account type. Now here in the switch the account type, you have to tap on the option of switch to personal account. Now after you tap on the option of the switch to personal account, your professional account will be switched to the personal account. If you would like to switch it to business account any day, you could also switch it to business account, but here we would like to switch it to the personal account, so we have to tap on the option of switch to personal account, and we can just switch it to the personal account. And if any day we would like to switch back again to the very professional account, we could do that as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.